We are going to see about insect vectors of plant diseases, preventive and curative methods. Plant diseases are a major constraint in agricultural production. Many important plant diseases are spread by insects. Insects, they act as carriers of pathogens from infected plants to healthy plants. Vector-borne diseases are difficult to manage and cause severe economic losses. Insect vector is an organism that transmits the pathogens. Transmission occurs mainly during feeding on plant sap. The pathogen does not usually harm the insect. Vectors play a crucial role in disease epidemics. Importance of insect vectors. They are responsible for rapid spread of diseases. Control of vectors indirectly controls diseases. One vector can infect many plants. Climate change increases vector population and its activity. Types of plant pathogens transmitted are viruses. They are most commonly transmitted pathogens, bacteria, phytoplasmas, and fungi. Major group of insect vectors are aphids, whiteflies, leafhoppers, planthoppers, thrips, and beetles. Let us see about aphids. They are small, soft-bodied sucking insects. They feed on the phloem sap. They transmit viruses in a non-persistent manner. Examples are potato virus Y, cucumber mosaic virus. Very efficient vectors due to rapid reproduction. The photo of aphids. Vector is whiteflies. They are tiny insects with white waxy wings. Important vectors in tropical and subtropical regions. Transmit begomoviruses. Example, tomato leaf curl virus, cotton leaf curl virus. They cause heavy crop losses. The picture of whiteflies. Next, we are going to see about leaf hoppers and plant hoppers. They are medium-sized insects with jumping ability. They transmit viruses and phytoplasmas. The transmission is normally persistent. Examples, rice tongue disease, little leaf of brinjal. Both nymphs and adults can transmit pathogens. Are small, slender insects with rasping, sucking mouthparts. Transmit tospoviruses. Example, tomato spotted wilt virus. Cause direct feeding damage along with disease transmission. This is the picture of thrips. Modes of transmission is of three types. Non-persistent transmission, where short feeding time pathogen retain briefly. Next is semi-persistent transmission, where the long feeding time is required. Last one is persistent transmission. Here the pathogen circulates within the insect body, long retention period. Let us see the symptoms of vector-borne diseases. Leaf curling and distortion, yellowing and mosaic patterns, stunted plant growth, reduced flowering and fruiting, poor yield and quality. In preventive methods, First, we are going to talk about the cultural control. Use of disease-free seeds and seedlings. Crop rotation to break the disease cycle. Timely sowing and planting. Removal of weeds and volunteer plants. Maintaining field sanitation. Physical and mechanical method. Use of insect-proof nets in nurseries. Yellow and blue sticky traps for monitoring. Removal of infected plants. Use of barrier crops like maize or sorghum. Biological control. Use of natural enemies of insect vectors. Examples: ladybird beetles, lacewings, parasitic wasps. Reduces vector population naturally. Eco-friendly and sustainable method. Chemical control. Application of insecticides to control vectors. Seed treatment with systemic insecticides. Spraying of recommended chemicals. Avoid excessive use to prevent resistance and environmental harm. Curative methods. No direct cure for viral and phytoplasma diseases. Early detection and removal of infected plants. Vector control to prevent further spread. Supportive practices to reduce crop stress. Integrated disease management. Combination of multiple control strategies. Cultural, biological, and chemical methods. Reduces dependency on chemicals. Most effective and economical approach. To conclude, insect vectors play a major role in plant disease spread. Prevention is more effective than cure. Early vector control reduces disease incidence. Integrated management ensures sustainable agriculture.